Now, what are green skills? Green skills, see, it's not green color skills. Skills are basically the way you get a job, you do a job, and you are successful at a job, and you earn money, you earn livelihood. So, green skills, the skills used for promoting green economy, these are known as green skills. The skills, as I talked about, renewable energy, sewer water treatment, the cities which are climate, we want you to be making like climate resilient cities. The construction which has to be green construction. Okay, climate resilient I talked about, that is if the climate change, what you have to do. Construction should be economically unimpacted, or it is not impacting the environment in detrimental way. Solid waste management. So these are not the words, these are basically technologies, these are science. A person has to get the knowledge of this, to do it. So the green skill agreement, what is that? The green skill agreement is the skills for sustainability, because skills for sustainability also we calling it as green skills. These are the technical skills. These are preparing an individual to do certain work, giving him knowledge, and also providing him or developing the values and attitudes of that workforce, that person who is going to install a solar cooker or to install a windmill, knowing that what will be the environmental outcomes of this business, this industry, or how it is useful for the community, how it is bettering the community. So you are basically creating and making the generation who is adopting the green skills and earning the livelihood. So green skills contribute to the sustainable development. How? How do they do it? First is using the renewable energy sources. That is slowly and gradually transferring to the solar power, the wind energy. The waste management, water management is important here. How to do the rainwater harvesting, this also is green skills. A person will be knowing how to do this, how to conserve energy at every day-to-day life work, reducing the pollution to minimum extent. So green skill is very crucial, very important, because basically we are transiting. Right now we have economic development and growth. Everyone is a consumer. There is a demand and supply. So we want to go in the aircraft. We want luxurious life. Everyone wants it. So we have an intensive economy. But we need to stop this energy depletion emissions. For that, we need economy to be cleaner, a greener production and services. So basically, we are creating people who have green jobs, that is the jobs or the work like a software engineer, like say a plumber. Like this, we will have green jobs, and that will preserve and restore the quality of the environment. So a person, we are making him or giving him knowledge, giving him degree like this. For example, a person, a technician, he knows how to have a solar light, how to put a solar cooker, what the solar water heater does. So we require engineers and technicians. Mostly the today's training program, that is the vocational program, they are just focused on, say, a welder, how to make a person a welder, how to make a person technician like a fridge or a microwave, technician, welder, as I said, for welding. Now, these are most vocational courses doing today. But we need some addition, that is soft or greener skills also to be added. So we have National Skill Development Corporation, and this will be in all over all different countries only. I'm just talking about one of the country like India. So in 2015, National Skill Development Mission was launched by Government of India in 2015. So the basic idea was to provide all these skill training activities to states, to districts, to the whole country. But we also have to indulge people, the people who are being taught, introducing them to green skills. So green skill is very important for future, and you need to be very vocal about it. People need to know about it, and you need to be very good speaker about it. If you are actually thinking about green jobs, developing green skills. So let me tell you about the Green Consumer Day. This every 20th September every year we celebrate this Green Consumer Day. So what do? We celebrate our Mother Earth, and we try to make people aware about this by doing very small actions, because we want our globe to be green and clean. So we recycle more in this day. We do certain programs. We also wear color greens, and try to express our feelings toward the mother nature, the universe, the planet Earth. See, everything around us is green, either blue or green. Oceans are blue, the sky is blue, but everything is green, and we love green color. Because green, the plants, all the trees, you cannot say that something is happening here in Bangladesh will not affect us, or something happening in, say, Amazon jungles will not affect us. All our globe perspective you have to have, not only subjected to your own place or country. Green skills, it is required that you need to be aware, the knowledge. Green skill is important for the future, and also good communication skills are required, because you have to convince, you have to tell, and you have to give your ideas to the people, knowledge. So wherever you go, even if you make a green building, whichever sector, if you are making a green building or involved, then the power and efficiency is the main criteria. So in order to take the whole thing into account, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, they have taken up an initiative to enhance the skill, to develop the skill for skill development in the environment and the forest sector. Because people are running after being a software engineer or, say, a doctor. But today's young or today's youth, there is a program being established or started. So these people can get an employment, they can get self-employment, because they are getting skill development from Green Skill Development Program. This is GSDP. GSDP. So main idea of this program is to prepare green skilled worker, those who have knowledge of these green technologies, eco-friendly technologies, and also to develop a commitment for the sustainable development in them. So the environmental change is an important factor, because it is affecting everywhere. Global warming is all over the world. Sometimes in the winter times, or you can say the summer time, the winter time is coming, the snow is coming. So this is affecting the labor demand and skills supply in all the sectors, across all the sectors, like the automotive, like the retails, like the electronics, because you say 5-star or 6-star rating ACs. Then we have power and construction. So everywhere, whichever the sector is responsible for economy, the environmental change and the green skills are required, because green skills are for sustainable development. So these green skills are those skills, they are going to balance economic development and the environmental conservation. That is, we are thinking about the future. We are thinking about the resources, natural resources, and alternative strategies.